This one is for the BONK coiners and meme coin lovers out there. BONK coin, or BONK, has recently done some insane parabolic price action here, guys, sitting at a $794 million price tag in terms of its market capitalization. So we can look at BONK coin. Is it worth getting into? What do I think about this project? And we can see it really is starting to consolidate here on the weekly time frame at around $0.000013. Here it is. They've got currently the 12 days of Bonkmas. As the initial Christmas BONK airdrop anniversary nears, BONK DAO wants to thank eligible BONK supporters for their ongoing contributions and participation with a fun holiday celebration reward event. So they're doing a ton of marketing at the moment. You can see this when you look through the Twitter page of BONK here, the community token of Web3 token ID. So yeah, pretty exciting stuff here, guys. I don't know if you guys are into this or have seen this coin, but in the meme coin world, it's had some of the largest quantity of trade volume versus even coins like Pepe, right? So it's definitely a big coin right now. When we look at the overall accessibility from a consumer point of view, we've got KuCoin, Radium, Gate.io. So these are the main exchanges that you can actually see this particular coin that is on. And most of the volume is actually coming from P2B and Gate.io as well as Bybit. So there's a few major exchanges is actually already listed on, not particularly like Binance, Coinbase worthy, but still they've got themselves on some pretty big exchanges out there. So I was doing a bit of research on BONK, just looking at overall the wealth distribution. We can see there are a few wallets here. For example, this first one holding 12.66% of the supply. We've got another whale holding 5%. Third place, we've got the Bybit Exchange holding 2.67%. Gate.io is holding a fair amount as well. So I don't know who 1 and 2 and I guess 5 and 6 are. But if you did look, I looked into account number 1, you can see they're holding all of this BONK token worth 154 million. So I guess it's, someone will have to confirm down below, but there are obviously whale accounts holding on to BONK right now. So that is something to also consider. I think BONK coin could potentially see a bit of consolidation here and maybe move a bit more to the upside. But remember, guys, we are very overbought on this relative strength index, and we've got to talk about this more, because when you're oversold on the weekly RSI and you're overbought, the whales and the smart money buying down here, they can just hold the bag from the bottom whilst the retail money FOMOs in on this position. So the smart money will dump, and therefore you might see a bit of a correction at some point soon. But it is Christmas, and the main theme about this coin right now is, of course, it being Christmas time. So very exciting stuff here. We can see at the moment, previously we had the symmetrical triangle. There was a bit of a breakout of the bull flag. Price has come up, and we are starting to consolidate around the levels that we see here. So we might get a bit of continuation to the upside. At the moment, look at that ascending channel, ascending triangle pattern. We can see lots of buybacks, lots of support as well around that 0.00000994 level. We just need to see some more bullish momentum here for BONK. We need more volume, more momentum, and more FOMO overall. So the thing is, guys, if this does collapse and we do end up seeing this support broken, we could be looking for levels down at 0.000008. That could be an okay area to be looking for buybacks. Remember, this isn't financial advice, of course. Always do your own research. But yeah, things are a bit overheated with the BONK coin. I mean, look at all this. This is parabolic. 5 consecutive green weekly candles. So even on the macro scale, at some point, if this thing doesn't pump, you're going to be looking at a real major correction at some point. So there is, of course, downside potential, but at the moment, with the market being how it is and all the attention here on BONK coin, at the moment, the trajectory is still looking, I would say, fairly bullish. We're still following this support, this trajectory quite nicely, and I think things could still look positive for BONK right here, especially sitting at $792 million market capitalization. There is still more room for headway to, the north side. We could see more continuation here. Remember, guys, if you're new here and you want to get trading signals, join my Patreon. We've got over 400 patrons already, and if you want over 500 trading signals per month, which you can unlock in the Discord, which is right over here, we've got all those trading signals for you guys. So Just to give you an example of some on screen right now, that is just how they are looking. And if you are looking to get into an alternative meme coin right now in the crypto space, Meme Combat is a new meme coin that has not yet launched, but will do very soon. So they're a play to earn innovative ecosystem. They've raised $2.856 million at the moment. One MK token is $0.235. And guess what? This meme coin is doxed and KYC'd. So this one could be a new TEDx potential, like Tamadoge did, like Sponge did, like Wall Street Memes. We called 3 very good ones. If you want to get this token here, not financial advice, always do your own research on these sort of meme coins. Are high risk, high reward, but you can use the link down below to grab some of these tokens should you wish. That's entirely up to you. Yeah, BONK coin overall looking cool. It says here initially launched as a free airdrop to the Solana community on Christmas Day 2022. So we're seeing the return of BONK. That is the narrative. It's all about what happened 1 year ago, and we can see, of course, this is a Solana ecosystem coin. 60% of coins are circulating, so the fully diluted market cap is $1.3 billion. It is a Solana token, and we do see Solana ecosystem or chain coins usually do quite well, especially in the bull run. So that's a wrap, guys. BONK coin looking good. Am I gonna buy BONK coin? I'm probably not, because it looks a bit too euphoric for me. I personally do not chase the green candles. I like to get in when things are looking pretty rocky, a bit bloody, and yeah, when there's a lot of fear instilled in the markets. Thanks for watching this video. If you're new here, please do subscribe, like, comment, and I shall see you guys very, very soon. Peace.